Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be going over how to detangle the hair. You're going to need a spray bottle with water, an oil of your choice, and the hair conditioner of your choice. And what I like to do is section my hair off into small sections so that I can kind of run my fingers through it to kind of detangle with my fingers at first. You also want to spray that section first and then go through it with your fingers just to make things easier, which is what I'm doing here. And once you kind of go along and fill your hair and detangle it with your fingers, you want to take your time. So this is a process that you want to be very patient with. You don't want to be in a rush because it can get frustrating when detangling your hair, especially if your hair is very coarse like mine. So you want to take your time. You want to make sure that you're not in a rush, you're not going anywhere, to just give your hair that tender loving care that it needs. Once you get that section detangled with your finger, I like to go ahead and spray it again. Water is your best friend, and use a paddle brush to kind of brush through that hair just to make sure I get all the knots out. And once you're brushing your hair with the paddle brush, or if you're using a wide tooth comb, you want to start off with the ends gently first and then working your way up. That way you don't rip your hair out. Once you make sure that section is untangled and is soft, you can go ahead and twist it and move on to the next section, and we're pretty much going to be repeating that process. Like I mentioned earlier, it is very important to get the hair wet before you detangle it. So I typically spray the hair first and I apply the conditioner to my hair. And whether you have the conditioner, you can just use the conditioner, or you can just use oil. I find it better that the conditioner makes the hair soft, so I prefer to use a conditioner, but if I don't have any in hand, I'll use oil. So you want to damp the hair with water, add the conditioner to your hair, and kind of detangle it with your fingers at first. Once you kind of get a feel that most of the knots are out, you want to take a paddle brush or a wide tooth comb and start combing out the ends first and working your way up. Once you got the whole section detangled, you can go ahead and twist your hair and move on to the next section. And the reason why we're twisting it is just to move the hair out of the way, and also to make sure that it doesn't get tangled again. And in this video, I'm only going to be demonstrating a section of my hair so that you guys don't have to watch me detangle my entire head, because that would be a long process. So pretty much once I'm done with that section, I twist it off, and what I like to do is go ahead and rinse everything out. So I'll rinse it with warm water, not using any shampoo, just rinsing it off, so that you can remove the conditioner and the oil out of your hair. And that's pretty much it. Once you complete that, you untwist your hair and you will see how soft your hair is, and still you'll have that lingering conditioner that's still on your hair, so you'll feel the moisture still in your hair, and pretty much your hair will be soft and you can go ahead and style from here. So that's how I detangle my hair. Like I said, it is a process. It takes about an hour to do, but I like to take this moment this time and use it as me time. So it's whether it's on a Friday that you like to take care of your hair, then take that day where you just give your hair all the love that it needs, so that the rest of the week you are good to go. so this is pretty much it. Here I rinsed out, like I said, I rinsed out my hair, and I'm kind of just taking out the twists to show you how soft my hair is. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you enjoy simple videos like this, please don't forget to leave a comment down below to see what you want to see next, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join the family, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.